Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and good morning. And thank you to the judge who have given topics related to recycling. So before starting, let me introduce myself. I am Rizky Octavian from SMA Negeri 4 Kota Probolinggo, and I will discuss about why would people who don't recycle trash deserve punishment. So first of all, we have to know what is the definition of recycle. Recycling is a process in which we destroy an object that will be changed in form and function. As we know, the word recycle is usually related to a trash, which means that the things that are often recycled are objects that are no longer used or have no aesthetic or functional value. Recycling process is used to cope with amount of existing waste without reducing the amount of waste, because as we know, the amount of waste cannot be reduced along with the increase in population or the amount of consumption of a thing. So this countermeasure is carried out to create a cycle that will maintain the use value of an item. According on data released by the Kementerian Lingkungan Hidup dan Kehutanan, that Indonesia itself produced 21.88 million tons of waste in 2021, and about 37% of waste is generated by household waste, and 16% of it is generated by traditional markets. The number listed is not a small amount, and this can be studied further, and it can be concluded that waste management activities have not yet been implemented, or if they have, the perpetrators of the countermeasures are not adequate to be able to overcome this. Also, regarding the type of waste that can be a factor that the countermeasure cycle will not occur. When we discussing the type of waste, both organic and non-organic waste require attention for further use, because without human intervention, the two types of waste will only end up as piles, which will certainly be detrimental. And if we see the garbage that has piled up, we will immediately think of ways to reduce the amount of waste. Even though this sounds difficult to implement, considering the amount of consumption for each person can vary, so there is also contributes to the accumulation of waste. Some people who may still not care about waste will think that there will be other institutions that take care of the waste. Indeed, there is a point in that, because people only think about the short term, so that what is functional value only happens until the product is finished being used. Not infrequently, there are even manufactured objects that actually do not provide any functional value at all, but only for aesthetic value. In simple terms, maybe we can give a warning to people who don't dispose of their trash properly, but we never think about reprimanding people who don't want to recycle trash. This is due to factors such as not everyone being able to turn waste into something functional again. It is not uncommon for people to think that the waste that has ended up in the trash is the same as the end of its functional value. Deviating from the actors who do not recycle waste, we must also pay more attention to the garbage makers or producers who can unwittingly contribute to increasing the amount of existing waste. But if we look now, have been many producers who have evolved to use goods that can melt quickly so as to reduce a certain amount of waste. But again, this is aimed at reducing, not tackling. So the role of consumers here is also very much needed, because creativity can arise from parties who do not have innovations in the ways. What we can do is pay more attention to our surroundings. If we can be perpetrators of waste management, at least give support to the perpetrators of handling, either by visiting exhibitions or shops that sells recycled goods. That way, there will be benefits for both parties, but do not make the rest of the waste that is not used, so that a countermeasure cycle can occur. I think I have said enough, and I hope that from my explanation, I can explain to all of us not every individual should be given bad treatment regarding recycling waste, but ideas that sound simple can be options that also give results that are not much different. Thank you for attention, and I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.